Um, I didn't do any programs, but I was going the concept. I'll do programs today and submit tomorrow.
Okay, that's required.
Yeah, I'm learning the concepts now. But I write the programs today, and yeah.
So today we are going about talk about actions and means we will do the practical things and stuff as well. And today I have means totally changed my approach, and now I will you can say practical things. We have a code as well. Where we can tweak and understand the things and run the things. Okay, so
Yeah.
that you have a means your playground with you as well, which you can apply the things. Okay,
Yeah.
so if you talk about action, what you understand from action? Which earlier we discussed the same thing when we discuss about events. Am I right? So
Yeah.
what you understand from actions?
Actions are like will be operating by, for example, clicking a button or entering a text and
Okay.
submitting the file. Or sometimes if you upload the files from the system, click by clicking on upload button. Then once uploading,
Yes.
clicking on button for those files. Those are called actions.
Yes. So like drag and drop, hover. Am I right?
Yeah.
So all are
Yeah.
action with the help of that, or fill the information into your or this
Text box
field. Am
or
I right? Yes.
yeah,
Or
text area, text
check.
box.
Yes. Check, uncheck the checkbox. Those are action. With the help of that, user is able to interact with our system. Am I right?
Yeah.
So based on that means when we are going for automation, these actions are required. Am I right?
Yeah.
Because in automation we are not going to play, we are not going to do this automation. It will done automatically. Am I right? But
Yeah.
whatever action you can think of, user can do that need
Mm.
to be done by our this framework as well. So
Yeah.
that's why this topic is required. Right.
Yeah.
So so let's go through the theory first, and whatever time we have, I want you will go through the theory, and then we will check the practical stuff. Okay,
Sure. Yeah.
go ahead, please.
Yeah. I'm syncing the changes. Now I'm going the file.
Please read this and speak out as well, so that means another one can also learn and check that what we are discussing, why we are discussing.
Sure. So Playwright, in the Playwright folder, actions MD. Yep. I'll share my screen now.
Okay, go ahead, please.
Can you see my screen?
It's loading.
That
Yes, I am able to see. I'm able.
okay. So Playwright Actions user interface layer. So what is this actions? Actions are operation performed on web elements. So click, typing, selecting from the drop down, hovering on the links or any element, drag and drop. These are all actions. They simulate a real user behavior. And why we are using actions? Without actions, you cannot interact with UI or test becomes static. So what with actions, real user simulation, end-to-end testing, and full workflow validation. So when we are using actions, by filling forms, clicking some buttons, navigating flows, testing UI behavior. So how you with the execution flows. So text ID is equal to this locator auto wait action DOM update assertion. So this is the flow. For example, text ID is equal to this one. So we are declaring this text ID is equal to this. And how this execution flows means the locator, then auto wait action will perform DOM update and assertion. So assertion here means it will display or it will send to a server.
Means it will assert, it will validate. Like validation is there after clicking. This need to be displayed. Am I right?
Yeah.
That is displaying or not. That's
Okay.
called assertion. You understand me, friend?
Yeah, I got you.
Yes.
And what
So that's it. Go ahead.
real life analogy using a website. So you click, Playwright clicks. You type, Playwright types. You select, Playwright selects. Playwright is equal to your digital hands. Engineering view. Action is equal to locators press operation. So test scripts await page dot get by role of button, comma, name colon login, click function. Here name is equal to login. When you click on login button, you get that role.
It's a locator. With the help of a role, you are locate your element, and after locating, you can apply a click. Am I right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So it's saying that thing only to you.
Okay, locate the button login, then click on that login.
Apply a click there.
And what it combines locator, auto wait, execution. So how long it will auto wait? It will be like 3000 seconds, milliseconds, or
No, it's as it say auto wait. Am I right? It will manage by Playwright. You don't need to take care. Okay. So it's it should be in some milliseconds only. Okay.
Okay. Core actions, most important. One is click. So await page dot get role by button, name login dot click function. So you have clicked, you have find the.
Hold on. Smart. First, close this part. Close this Explorer part. Click on that Explorer icon, left hand side top icon. Click on that. Close this first. Okay. And close this, please click on. And now in this tab only, close other files. Just expect from this, close other files. And now there is a five icons are there on this tab, means address bar only. And you need to click on a third icon. No, on top. Go top little bit. Yes. Go right hand side. Right hand side. You are able to see this third icon. No.
Yeah,
Yes.
toggle
Click
path.
on, no. Below there are three. Yes. Click on this, please. It's a preview. Close this file one. MD file, close MD file. Yes. Now this is neat and clean. Am I right?
Yeah. It gives
Now
you
just go on through this. And you need to follow this approach.
Okay, sure. And full simulation when clicking navigating. Yeah. So we have done with engineering view. Core actions. Most important, click. Await page role. Button, name login, click. So it will locate the button and then it will click perform the action by clicking on it. Next type, await page dot get by label email dot fill. So here we are entering into the text box. We are locating the email. Then in that email text box, we are entering this text data. That is action. Type the delay. Simulate real user. Page dot get by label email dot type of text comma delay 100. So here it is locating email. We are typing the data into the text box and we are delaying it for 100 milliseconds.
Yes.
and clear input. So page dot get by label email dot clear. So once after entering, the text box will clear with no data. So it will clear off the existing data.
So
So
whatever
select,
you are studying, you can think of Kumar in a real scenario. Let's say user
yeah,
will want to manually test that he need to perform this. He need to clean the fields. He need to enter the data. Am I right? And he
yeah,
maybe he can take some break. Am I right?
correct.
In between. While you can say in a real scenario, it will take some way to enter another, move to a next field with the help of tab and things. Then he is able to do this. So we are, with the help of this action, we are able to simulate the thing. Okay, go ahead, please.
Next is fifth one is select drop down list. So select page locator country. So you have list of countries in the drop down. Select option as India. So in the list you will be selecting India as an option for the country field, and that is one of the action. Check or uncheck is also an action. Await page dot get by label accept terms dot check. So check is the one with the checkbox. We will be clicking on that. It will check. If you click on that, it will uncheck. So yeah, it will identify the label as a locator. Then it will be doing the check and uncheck in the radio button. We are doing mouse over as an action. So page await dot locator of menu dot hover off function. So once you do mouse over on menu, it will give you the complete name of that menu.
Yes,
Then drag and drop. So await page that drag and drop of source comma target. So you can drag some data to the source and drag the data to the target as well
yes.
in
Means in a
page.
real scenario, let's say you have a two, you can say two documents. One is you can say you can there are two ways you can think of two you can say boxes with you. One have some items and you want to move that item in another box, which is empty. Am I right? Or
Yep,
have some item, but it has a space which you can move. So for that you use a drag and drop. It's also action. Am I right?
yep,
To means automate that we have a this method. Where you need to tell what is the source and what is the target. Am I right?
correct. Yeah.
Okay, go ahead, please.
The ninth one is press key. Await page dot keyboard dot press enter. So you will be clicking on enter button and it will take you to the other page. Uploading a file. For example, if you select the input files, upload and file.pdf. So here the file.pdf will be uploaded by using the upload button. That is one of the
Yes.
action. Auto waiting critical. So before action, playwright ensures elements exist, element is visible, element is stable, element is clickable. Uh, Element is clickable means if it is clickable or selectable or check or uncheck you can do.
Yes. Yes. Let's say in coding means
Yeah,
its border is disabled there. Am I right? Or
yeah.
it's not visible. So it's check everything. Means it's whatever you action mentioned there, that particular element is able to do that or not.
Mm,
You understand my
okay.
point?
Yeah, understood.
Yes.
And wait for timeout. Need to wait for timeout here. What is the timeout here? No need for wait for timeout.
Yes, means we don't need to take care about this. Means wait, say, hey, you need to tell means how much this four step will take this much of time. You don't need to do that. Playwright is
Mm,
doing for you.
okay.
Because in a
And in the
some, if you have
mm,
experience in a, or if you check another platforms or another framework, they are you need to explicitly handle this auto wait.
yeah,
Wait you need to handle by yourself. There's some method with the help of that you can do that. But here, this is a beauty of playwright is doing this by own. Okay.
okay. Got and real world use case. So login flow. So how it works, first await.goto. So it will go to this page first by using the goto method, and await.page.get by label email.fill. So get by label, by using get by label method email, we will be filling this data into it. Then get label by password.fill of 123456. Then await build get role button. Now name login click. So once after this page is loaded, it will automatically fill, right, this data.
Yeah, yes, yes, yes.
It will automatically fill this, and this password will be filled. By clicking on login button, it will log into that app.
Yes.
Next is search flow. Await page.get by placeholder of search dot fill playwright. So get by placeholder search in the search and fill the playwright. So await.page dot press enter. So in the search box, if you enter playwright and enter, then it will display all playwright related data in that. Then
Yes.
what are the advanced actions? So for force click, use carefully. So await page dot locator hidden button dot click of force is equal to 4:true. So here you have a hidden button and it is force is true. So how can we find this hidden button?
So basically, button is there, but it's a hidden from a user. Am I right?
Yeah.
Forcefully, you are saying, hey, I means don't care about this is visible or not. Just do that. You're
Mm.
doing a forcefully.
Yeah.
There should be some way in a playwright with the help of you can communicate with this. I want this.
Mm.
Otherwise, if you not do this, it will check the it's exist there or not, visible there or not. Am I right? Clickable there or
Yeah.
not. Am I right?
Yeah.
But when you say forcefully bypass all these things and go through this,
Mm.
that's why it's mentioned by bypass visibility checks.
Okay. Then is double click. So await page dot locator item dot dbl double click function. So double click is like for the selecting of the text or uh,
So basically, means it's depend upon a coding. Some some means you can say there are function click and double click is there. Long click is also there. Am I right? So
yeah.
if means your developer done this double click, am I right? You need to
Mm.
click double time, then it will perform the action. Am I right? Then you
Yeah.
need to do that. That's why it's there.
Okay. Double click. Right click. So you know this right click. Page await page dot locator item dot click button right. So right clicking of the button. Then scroll. So scroll await page dot mouse dot wheel of 0, 500. So is it x comma y? X is horizontal, y is vertical.
So basically, start from you are scrolling from top to down, I mean, top to bottom. Then,
Yeah.
if this much is done, then you need to go for action. Am I right?
Yeah.
Somewhere they will, you can say, we will use this feature for auto load or load
Mm.
more data. Earlier we have a time record only. If you scroll down, if you want to interested to get more post or more data, then it will scroll and data will means load automatically. Am I right?
Correct. Yeah.
So this kind of behavior, you go for this scroll.
Then focus. Await page dot locator of input. So hash input is a element located locator. Locator has dot focus function. So that input data will be focused, highlighted.
Yes, yes.
One mistakes what we do. Wait for clicking without proper locator using force equal to unnecessarily. not waiting for navigation, hard coding delays. These are the common mistakes we do. Then one to our deep concepts. Actionable checks. Before performing action, Playwright verifies visible, enable, stable, and revise events. So before performing action, Playwright verifies visible of that element, enabled of that enable, stable of that element, and receives events. And automatic execution. Each action is retriable, safe, isolated. Locator plus action is equal to stability. Bad await dot page dot click off div int child await page dot off button name dot click on. Okay, here they are directly clicking on that element by putting that element name here.
Yes, yes, yes.
So instead of that, you can write this one. So it will go to that button name called submit button and clicks. Okay.
Yes.
Next, task 1. Click practical test. Click login button. Fill form fields. Select drop down task 3. Select drop down one as task 4. Upload files. Mini project complete. Build complete form automation steps. Fill form. Select options. Upload file. Submit form. Validate success. So actions are auto waiting. Actions are auto waiting. No need for explicit waits. Supports keyboard, mouse, file upload. Return locator system, reliable and retriable. Summary actions is equal to user interactions built on locators. Auto wait ensures stability, avoid force and timeouts. Yeah, done.
Done. Just take a pull, please.
Yeah.
Take a pull from sync with your main branch. There only. Sync. Click on go down below. Below. Yes. Sync. Yes. Sync. No. Click on this. Click on this sync changes. Blue button. Yes. Sync changes.
Okay.
Yes, please. Click. Then open Explorer. Open this Explorer, please. And means close this advanced. Close this advanced. Advanced practical. Go to practical, please. Practical basic and click on this action practical. Playwright action practical folder. Right click, please. Right click and open for fifth option. Open in integrator terminal. And here you need to write npmi. First npmi. Okay, press enter. After done this, npx playwright install, space install. Run, please. Playwright install. npx playwright install. I think it's already installed. Okay, the npm run test. No.
Version I'll check. Okay.
No, there is no need to do. Let's do this. npm run test.
npm run test. npm run
Test.
There is a yes. Yeah.
9 tests are there. Okay. Whatever we covered, based on that, 9 tests are there and it's running. Let's check that. Okay, then you need to open the files and you can say go through the things. Okay. So that is a revision for you, whatever we discussed earlier. And with the, you can say player, you can tweak the changes after understanding. If time is allowed, you can do the changes as well. Am I right?
Hmm.
Or you can do one thing here. Go to this packet.json file and packet.json file. No, no. Yes, this one. And here you will run this test header.
Hmm.
Okay, test header. You understand my point?
Yeah,
So
test
here
headed.
you will, yes, npm run test header, npm run test colon header, colon is there.
Header or headed?
Added, added, enter. So now you are able to see the UI as well.
Hmm.
Or you can go with the test UI, or you are able to see it will do the things.
Hmm.
Here, this is a project, okay. So it's doing the things for you, drag and drop and everything. You understand
Yeah,
my point?
yeah, I got you.
And so now you just dig into code and check that code. And if you are not clear the thing, just let me know.
Sure. So this is the actions things we have written. So here importing test expect and playwright. So here test or describe playwright action practice function is test dot before sync page await page go to. And now test click action colon user can log in with valid credential asynchronous page. It will run asynchronously. Await page dot get by role text. So we are capturing locator email exact true the details user at test.com and await page get by role text name exact true fill this and clicking on login button it will be entered. So this will be automatically filled data. Then by clicking it will log and we get the login successfully.
Yes. So you understand this step by means test by test. Okay. And
Yeah,
you need to, if you have any question or concern regarding any test, please let me know. I can explain. Because in this way, you are able to recall whatever we learn in our locator and whatever we learn earlier. Am I right?
yeah.
Locator and action. Please check this carefully.
Test will check.
If you require, I can explain this to you. It's totally up to you.
So one is test fill type clear. This is all the actions will be executed asynchronously on page, right?
Go up, please. Go up. It's a total up. You are there. Okay. Now you are able to see in line number 1, we are importing test and aspect, which is coming from your this
Fine.
playwright only. Am I right?
Playwright file. Yeah,
And another, we are talking about a path, which is a path
yeah,
module is there, playwright default module is there. So we are means doing that. Now, this is a way to write a test cases. First, you will use this test object, which we will import it in line number 1. Am I right? From
yeah.
a playwright test, and then we will say, hey, describe. Okay. And
Mm-hmm.
describe, you need to mention name, whatever the name, and whatever we discussed earlier, callback methods. So this is a callback method when this means test will execute by playwriter. Am I right? It will
Yeah.
identify based on this name. It will display the name. Am I right? And
Yeah.
what it will do, we will mentioning inside a callback. You
Mm.
understand my point?
Yeah.
So this is a way. Yeah, this is a short way to do this because right now we learned earlier async and this synchronous and asynchronous. Am I right?
Yeah.
So if we are going to do that, then and here we are saying in our first four line number four, we are saying, hey, this will before each you need to open an endpoint first. Before going to this, you need to go to a root directory, and there it will take some time. That's why you're using async there. Am I right?
Mm. Mm. Yeah.
Await, because we learned this async await earlier. So if your means it will done, task will done in a future, then you need to use await. And if you will use await, then your function will use async. Am I right? So that
Yeah.
playwriter or JavaScript can understand. This will take some time, so I need to move forward. You
Mm.
understand my point?
Yeah.
So these are the things, and this pattern we are following on other places as well, like line number 9, line number 17. Okay.
Mm.
So you can think of this as sync, and this is a arrow function where you are passing somewhere you are passing a parameter, somewhere you are not passing a parameter. Am I right? Body
Yeah.
is there in a curly braces where you are performing whatever you want to do. And in this, you have a question about aspect. Am I right? So
Yeah.
it's a assertion which you are saying, hey, I want this aspect, and if should have to be tested like this, login success.
Mm.
You understand my point?
Yeah.
So I
Yeah.
want means this is a first element should be display this after successfully log to validate
Mm.
the thing. How you if you are just doing the filling the information, but it's a successful or failed, you need to validate that as well. That's why this aspect come in a picture. This is called assertion. Okay.
Mhm. So here we can put a
Okay.
logic
Now
here for login unsuccessful. For example, in the validation, we can write a code here before entering this here, right? So, like for example, if username is equal to for email is equal.
no, so you are already doing that.
Yeah.
Understand my point. Let's say let me tell you one thing. Let's say go to techlambda.com. Please go to techlambda.com. Open in a browser, techlambda.com. Browser, Chrome or whatever.
Yeah.
Go to Chrome,
Mm.
Chrome.
Chrome.
Techlambda.com. Open techlambda.com.
I'll open in the Chrome one, right?
No, you already have a browser. You can open anywhere.
Yeah.
That's not an issue.
Okay. So here,
Techlambda.com. Techlambda.com.
yeah,
Techlambda.com. Yeah. So
in there
now go to sign up page, sign up, click on this user. Yes.
we they say right. Sign up.
Yes. Here, new customer, please. New
Okay.
customers or new customer, please.
Where is
New
new customer?
customer, create new account. There only. Users, users,
Customer.
users. Yes,
Create new account.
yes, yes. Click on this, please. Click.
Yeah.
So now you're able to see these are four fields. Am I right?
Mm.
If you fill this four field,
Mm.
then you are means it will give you either it will success or it will fail. Am I right?
Yeah.
Let's say right now you will keep this field empty, this password. Assume you will keep this please
Mm.
empty. Don't do. Just click on register. Register. Okay, it will saying, hey, please adjust the following. You understand
Mm.
my point?
Mm.
You cannot leave blank. Am I right? So
Yep.
this, after filling the information, after clicking the button, then you are able to check that.
Mm,
So that whatever you are doing there in that program is your logic. You are
mm,
writing that. So it's
mm.
not, logic is not about means how you will validate. It's your, in a automation logic is how you means your this automation thing or script will interact with the UI or application.
Yeah, I got you. Yeah, yeah,
Got my point?
yeah, yeah. So we are recording
Okay,
whatever
now
the
check your
logic is
code.
already implemented.
Yes, we need to just write a code so that whatever you are able, earlier you are doing manually, how you can your test your code can do that, your script can do that, your framework can do that. You understand my point?
Yeah,
That's why you are entering this way.
yeah, yeah.
If you check
And
this, go to the sample site, go to sample site, please. Sample site, in a code there is a sample site. No, in a code itself, VS code.
yeah,
No, VS
sample
code, please.
site.
Sample site is there. Folder is there. Yes.
Yeah, sample site folder is there.
So index.html. Index.html.
Yeah,
Click,
index.
right click, right click, and open your live server. So this is your site which you are testing. You understand my point?
Mm,
So here these things are there.
mm,
Okay, which we are testing. You
yeah,
understand my point? Right
yeah.
click and inspect. Then you are able to see how your locator is working and which, based on this, whatever you are able to select things. So everything is there. That's why I told you first to understand the thing, whatever available with you. As an
Mm,
assignment, you will try to do play around with this. So that in a short time you will grab the things in a better manner. I
okay.
know you don't have a much time with you. So this is selection and things you can play around with. First, before play around, you need to understand the things, how things are connected, how things are working.
Mm,
You understand my point?
yeah, understood. Yes.
Okay, please go through that test file and understand the
Mm,
thing. And wherever you are not able to understand, please ask the question. I will help you to understand.
okay. So await page here. Expect page dot get by role status first to have text login successfully. So once after clicking this, entering this data, when you click on the click on the login button, then it will give you login successfully. So, this is asking for the first function. Um, dot first
Let's say,
function.
no, it will asking, let's say you have a this status, you are using multiple places, right? Because
Mm,
on a single page, we are using this again and again. So whatever is first available, okay,
mm,
you want to check on that on.
mm,
Understand my point?
yep.
Let's say on a page you have a this means locator. With the help of this locator, you are able to identify 10 elements. Am I right? But you are
Mm.
interested for only first.
Okay. Here first element is email text
No,
box.
no. Okay, do
Here
one
that.
thing. Click. No, man. Just I am saying, hey, in a particular class or in a company, in your team only, let's say 10 Kumar is there. Am I right?
Mm,
10 Kumars are there, and based on a sitting order, sitting arrangement, am I right? You will
mm,
come first,
mm,
and second Kumar will come second. So here with the help of that, based on a sitting order, we are saying who is sitting first. I want to communicate. I want to check that. You
Hmm.
understand my point? So that's why we are mentioning first.
Okay.
Who is encounter first? Okay. For that, you can do one thing. Click on this index.html. Let me show you. Index.html. Here, hold on. So go down. This login title. I'm right. Hold on. Login only. I want to interested in login only. Login message. Hold on. Here you are able to see status. Role is status. Am I right? Line number
Hmm.
25. 25.
Hmm.
Okay. Copy. Go down. Go down, please. Go down little bit. Little bit. Hold on. Go down. Hold on. Go up, please. Go up. European title. Okay, go down, go down. Here, line number 58, you are able to see status as well. Am I right?
Yeah.
So that means two or more status is there. But you are interested only of first existence,
Yeah.
which is exist first. You understand the point?
Hmm.
Okay. Then go to code and test and check that.
ID is form message. Role is yes. Yeah, I got the role here. Role is equal to status.
Yes. Okay, do one thing.
Hmm.
Just enter some things, whatever you are doing there, just do that here as well and check the output. Okay.
Hmm.
Just password, whatever you're doing in a test, you can do this with this. And password 123456 only. Your email ID is fine. And
Oh,
click and check that.
okay.
Email ID is fine.
Hmm.
Or 123456 whatever is there. Just
Five
click
six.
login.
Yeah. Yeah. Logged in.
You need to use this user at this user at the test one. Whatever login you are doing in a test, you can use that login. Same email, please. Same
Hmm.
email.
Oh, okay. Same.
Go to
Okay. I'll
test.
copy. Yeah. 1 minute. I'll copy now. Yeah. See, login successful.
You understand my point? We
Yeah.
are checking that.
Hmm.
Same thing with other things as well.
Hmm.
That's the automation. What user is able to do on your UI, you are automating same thing.
Okay.
Go down in this page only. This is a form validation where you will check how you can select a country, where you are able to check how you will interact with others, skill set, and
Hmm.
upload a file stuff. Am I right?
Yeah.
If you have any question or concern, please feel free to ask. Okay.
Okay, sure. And do you have MS Office? Because I've run out of MS Office. I don't have Word or Excel. Do you know? Do you have any license extra or?
Okay, we will discuss after this class.
Okay.
First, you focus on this part, and after that, we will discuss how we can do that.
Sure.
Okay.
Okay. Now the login successful message. Now test fill data. So we got page here. Then completion form page. So you'll be filling. Comma. You fill here. Then contact email address is. Contact email is this. At test.com. Then if you click on here, it should clear. Where there is no clear button. Here, contact email. So you can select place India, then check Playwright to be checked. Okay. Then type check, uncheck, not to be checked.
Hello.
Playwright. Hello, can you hear Deepak ji?
Yes, yes, yes. I am able to hear you.
So here I have selected up. Here it says wait by label Playwright to be checked. Okay, to be checked.
Yes, we are
And
checking that.
yeah, checked it. Again now it's saying Playwright get by label check and page
And uncheck.
unchecked. Now uncheck.
Yes.
Then here it says not to be checked.
Yes, we are validating.
Okay.
Basically, what it means, first user is checking and unchecking that. After that, what is our expectation? It should be unchecked.
Yeah, it should be unchecked. But why it is actually calling once again the check here, even though it is already checked here?
No, this is a playwriter. There are two checkboxes are there. One is playwriter, another is TypeScript.
Yeah. Oh, correct. Okay. Oh, sorry. Yeah.
No worries,
Fine.
no issue, no issues.
Correct. Then acceptance to be checked. Then here constant file is equal file path is equal to path join process dot cbw. So sample file dot text I don't have. When you choose file,
You can choose any file, that's not an issue. You can choose any file. You can create a sample.txt file here and select that. It's not a big deal. You understand my point?
Yeah.
Just a test document. And here this sample.txt dot sample.txt.
Sample.txt.
Yes.
Then send. Yep.
Okay.
Mm. Form submitted successfully. You got it.
Now you have everything with you. You have a code, test code. You have a test website. Am I right?
Yep.
You just and things is same there. Just you need to check and understand the things.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sure. I'll go through this and I'll come back to you. Yeah.
Hold on. Let me stop the recording.